Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Hilton Employee Portal. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in lobby.hilton.com. Then you'll come across this login portal. Here you'll have to enter your user ID associated with your account. If you do not remember your password, then you can click on Forgot Password link, then tap on Enter button. After that, follow through the prompts and fill in the information that is required in order to log in. And that is how you can log into Hilton Employee Portal. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.